Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in a Freightliner. First, power on your truck's radio. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and make sure it is discoverable. On the Freightliner radio, look for the Bluetooth symbol or a button labeled Bluetooth to begin the connection process. This initial step ensures both devices are ready to communicate with each other, setting the stage for a smooth pairing experience. Now let's pair your phone. On the truck's radio, navigate to the Bluetooth menu and select Add Phone or New Pairing. You might be prompted to choose a memory slot, often from 1 to 10. On your phone, scan for available devices. You'll typically see CARBT or Cascadia. Select it, and if prompted, enter the common PIN of 4 zeros or 1234 to complete the pairing. Once paired, confirm the connection on both your phone and the Freightliner radio. Many Freightliner radios allow you to switch between phone call audio and music playback by pressing and holding the seek button. This is a handy feature for managing your audio experience. You can then use the radio's volume knob and other controls to manage your music or calls, keeping your focus on the road. If you encounter issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. If music isn't playing, ensure the radio is set to Bluetooth music mode, not just Bluetooth phone. For connection problems, try disconnecting and reconnecting Bluetooth on both your phone and the radio. Deleting old, unused pairings from the radio can also help. Finally, for clearer conversations, many drivers find a dedicated Bluetooth speaker offers superior call quality over the truck's built-in microphone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.